Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online for every 10 seconds on Autopilot. This is a free app that is available worldwide, a perfect way to earn extra income while working at home. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on Autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Therefore, continue to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So, this is the page where you'll need to create an account in order to put things on Autopilot. It is possible to make money without putting out any effort. This is the website that will help you. But before we go there and learn how to sign up and use it to set everything up on Autopilot, you must first download and install a completely free application that you want me to install for you. As you can see, this software may help you make money, and the top paying customer made over $5,000 in just 24 hours. So there's a lot of money to be made with this app. And average daily earnings are around $50 just for installing this completely free app. But they don't know the secret that I'll show you inside this video that will help you not only make more money, but also make more money while doing the last work. You will build up a pilot with a website that I will share with you later in this session. The software's name is The Plug. On this channel, we've discussed The Plug previously, but we've never used it in the way we do now. As a result, today's strategy will be incredibly uncommon and novel. It's something I've never seen anyone else on YouTube talk about, but it just works so well. Because this strategy is now being used by so many people, now is the greatest time to jump on board and take advantage of the early access. For those unfamiliar with how the plug works, it basically means downloading the program and then searching within it for every piece of entirely free software. You'll have your own referral link, which you can use to get referral links for other apps, advertise, and you'll be credited every time someone installs the app using your referral link, and you'll earn points if you can redeem them for real money. The interior dashboard will resemble this, as you can see. You may browse thousands of different apps for which you can earn a referral link and then see how many points you'll receive for each one you install. On rare occasions, you might get a bit more than $3 per app installed. In my experience, the typical cost of each referral link install in between $1 and $2. It can, however, sometimes go up to $2 or $3 each install, which is quite high because it will rapidly mount up once you set it up with a website that I will share with you. Plug coins, as the points are known within the program, can be earned. You can earn plug coins for your promotions, which you can then trade for real money. PayPal allows you to check your account history and cash out at any time for speedy payment. You won't have to wait weeks or months to get paid as a result. You have the option to getting paid every day, whenever you want. And it's evident that certain people are profiting handsomely from this scheme. This program has a lot of promise and people are profiting from it on a daily basis. It's just a modern app with a modern style, which I appreciate because it's very easy to use and everything can be tested quickly. You can follow your promotions in real time with a reach analytic and notifications that track install to page visits. So get notified when your plugs become available. They will contact you if you desire to advertise so that you may promote the brand new apps that people can download for free and be reimbursed. All you have to do now is download the Plug app and create a free account. It's only available in App Store right now, but the developers say it'll be available on Google Play Store soon. I recently downloaded this app for free. You should be able to find a referral link for any software you choose now. Simply ensure that it pays a large number of plug coins so that you can earn more money, but as I previously indicated, you'll be there on average for $1 per program installer that comes through your referral link. If you can convince 10 others to download the app using your referral link, you'll get $10. You get 100 people to download an app using your referral link, you'll get $100, and so on. Now, I'll show you how to set up an unfinished referral install autopilot. How can you get thousands of people to install your apps for you using your referral link? You can earn commissions and plug coins, but you can also exchange them for real PayPal cash. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Now, you'll use Latium.org to obtain those installs on semi-autopilot through your referral link so you can make money with that software. According to SimilarWeb's, Latium.org now receives 300,000 monthly visitors. One page is visited by around 300,000 individuals each month, which means you can obtain a lot of installs just from this website. So the way Latium works is pretty much the same as any other freelancing website. But they're a little different because if I go to their browse part and click on Browse Projects, you can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side. However, software downloads are accessible, allowing you to pay someone 10 or 20 cents. Individuals are doing this. For example, I can see that some people are paying 10 cents to download or install an app if I go to the app download section. So all you have to do is post your project and say, install this program through my link, and I'll show you how to set it up, and I'll pay you 10 cents. And each time someone installs using your referral link, you will make more than $1, $2, or $3, and you will only have to pay them 10 cents. So you benefit every time someone installs your app through your referral link. And it runs on autopilot because after you put this up on Latium.org, folks who finish those projects are freelancers who install the app for the order for the link will automatically get those 10 cents. You won't have to pay them by hand. They'll get those 10 cents automatically, and you'll make money on plugco.in on autopilot. As you can see, this individual, for example, established this project and will have his referral link right here. So if people don't want to finish the project, they can go to this website, which is his referral link, and download the application for 10 cents, which he will pay them. To get paid again on occasion, it's around $3 each app installed, and you only have to pay 10 cents for those installs. So you're still getting $1.90 or more per completed project. And you should know that over 300,000 people visit this website every month. As a result, you can use our website to reach a big number of people. To submit a project, go to Latium.org and click the Submit a Project button right here. Now, I want you to select the higher choice, as well as the project title, which is install this app in this case, and a description which can be optional or anything along those lines, and then install this app and leave your referral link. So go to Plug and get a referral link for an app that pays you $1, $2, or $3 for each install. Simply click Next and you'll be prompted to create a section. Select directions to give them more detailed information on what they need to do. Install the software again and leave your referral link. Then select the first step to adding a section. So you now move on to step 2, which is to email a screenshot as a proof that they actually did it, that they installed the application using their referral link. Then click Next and submit the abilities that are required. You can choose almost anything, and I strongly urge you to select as many as possible in order to attract more people. Then there's the issue of how many freelancers you want to hire. Obviously, the more you hire, the more people who install via your referral link, the more money you'll make, but I strongly suggest you not to hire more than 1,000. The Plug's referral link can only be used up to that point. So while you can get referral links from a number of apps within the Plug app, don't get more than 1,000 per app project. Then when asked how much you want to pay each freelancer to complete this task, enter anything between 10 cents and 20 cents or even 30 cents if you want to attract more people. I'm going to go with 20 cents for this one. I'll choose next and you can pay them as you wish. I'll pay them in US dollars before moving on to the next step. Of course, you can now customize your project's color. We have a range of free templates to choose from. From the drop-down menu, select Yes, Post My Project. When you publish your project on Latium.org, it will be visible to everyone who visits the site for freelancing work, and they will be able to download the app using your referral link. On the finest apps, you will automatically pay them 20 cents and make more than $1. You'll get a handsome return on your investment, which is more than 5 times your investment, and all you have to do is publish it once and forget about it. Obviously, the more projects and referral links you have on Latium.org, the more money you can make and the more money you can make on Autopilot. If you apply this strategy on this website, you won't need a social network profile to get a lot of referral installs. As you can see, people are making a lot of money with this app. And some of them are earning more than $200 each day by referring others. Once you publish your project on Latium.org, however, everything will operate on autopilot. It's a great strategy, and you should take advantage of the early bird pricing. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online for every 10 seconds on autopilot. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.